Welcome to Project Overview, Tribal PPM. Today we'll talk about project tiles, projects, and give you an overview. Project tiles is located on the left-hand side of the nav bar. The project tiles is aptly named because it has tiles that tell you about projects. The project tiles do come with some basic information like the project name and project ID. They'll show the start and finish date as well as the milestones. But depending on what else you have on there, you'll see the finish date, the days remaining, and next milestones. And at the very bottom are 4 icons that'll take you to the first 4 tabs within inside of the project. The projects module, located on the left-hand side, has more of the grid view, timeline, and board view for projects. Here we are in the grid view, and it's displaying widgets as well, which is a visual representation of the data down below within the grid view. The grid view can be customized to add an additional column so that you get more data points within inside the view. We'll access the information inside of the project by clicking on the project name. Once the project loads, you may notice some similarities between ideas and projects. At the top, we have the project name, the project ID, and the current status from the status report. On the right side, you'll notice the little diamond icons for the milestones across the project. Right beneath that, we have the different tabs that you may notice from ideas. And we do that because it carries over from the ideas to the project. These could contain information around properties, tasks, financials, staff, risk issues, and changes. Now, the project does contain some other tabs as well for more information, and that can include things like the checklists and dashboards and action items, documents, and conversations. On the properties page, there are multiple sections. You can see all of the sections by using the collapse all button. Here we have project summary, life cycle, stakeholders, project details, and settings. To expand to the different sections, again, click expand all, or if you want to do it one by one, you can use the individual arrows. The project summary has a project name, start, finish date, project type, and objective. Then within the life cycle, we have the different stage that the project is on, and then the dates for each one of those stages. Stakeholders has information about the project manager, the sponsor, who's in finance and governance, and who's over the PMO. Project details contains information about the operating cost, capital cost, and other cost and percentage completes for the project. The settings down below has more of the administrative or behind the scenes, which could include information about the resource and where they're located, who's paying for it, what location is the project in, whether it's active, open for time entry, and a few others. The task tab is all about project timelines and the tasks that it takes to complete the different projects. This is currently showing an initiation phase and a sub task, so parent-child relationships, and you can stack them in order to track the different phases. But you can also do it differently depending on how you want to track things. The next tab is status, which is for the status reports for the project. While some information is automatically generated in, other information can be manually updated and input in order to keep your project status report up to date. Thanks for watching the project overview with Trial PPM. For more information, go to trialppm.com or reach out to one of your Rego experts.